So this question is reshape data concatenate. So you're given two data frames, df1, df2. So what you actually need to do is you want to concat and then vertically into one, right? So it has to be vertically. So let's look at it. So they have the same title, so just concat. So let's look at it. So there's a method you can use is dd.concat. So you want to concat multiple data frames, so just be a list. So it's going to be df1, df2. So how do you concat? You're going to merge together for the row, right? So row is represent axis 0, 0, sorry, and then you just have to return the concat data frame. So this is how you want to merge together. So this is like vertically into one. It's actually saying like 5 and 6 merge into 1, 2, 3, 4. So axis 0 represent row, axis 1 represent column. So that's it. Submit. Alright, so let me know if you have a question, and I'll see you later. Bye.